Look at that, some more concrete coming down the down the runway. So I'm on this bridge from American Airlines to the parking structures. But yeah, you can see they're already putting in some concrete support. And they're gonna start going vertical here. Very nice. So you can see they've got concrete with a pumpcrete, kind of cool apparatus. See how I can get into some crazy spots. There it is. Not sure what PSI they're using, but that comes from Catalina Concrete, Catalina Pacific, which is out near, I think it's El Segundo. Like it stopped. So I was over in that area earlier. I was able to look inside down here, but now I'm up on this parking structure and you can't quite see down and in as well. But this new American Airlines Terminals 4 and 5 is coming along. So we'll keep our eye out on this in the next few months. It should develop pretty quickly. It looks like they're securing some kind of a form there for one of those columns. I guess, I assume they filled it with concrete. So I know right now when you go inside of there, it's the TSA checkpoint, so they can't quite get rid of that just yet. So that's probably on the horizon later on, once maybe they get some other things rebuilt, and then this can be terminated and modernized in some form.